Hey guys, Uzethu is pregnant and I know we are all stressed by this, and this is one thing that is going to make us glued on our screens recently. Yazi ingane yabantu bengisengithi mina ijabulile, happy, uphila iphupho lakhe, now sekuzoqhamuka le ukuthi usekhulelwe ke manje kanjani. Aye man guys, this is wrong, and I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before I start with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So let us quickly get into it. Now, uSiphosile Uchape and his writing team really hate this girl. Young guys, no one can convince me otherwise. I mean, Uzethu icala lakhe was to fall in love with uLekamva. Thumeka bamhlukumeza. Okay, sathi kudlulile lokho shona uLekamva. Sesathi kudlulile lokho futhi okay fine, waba right after that, wathola umsebenzi ezondotheka, waba mnandi, happily ever after. Just I saw one of the scenes recently etshela uQhawe ukuthi Qhawe bro, I feel like ngipopile kanti akazi ukuthi okuningi kuseza. Qale ngoXolani falls in love with Uzethu. And then when falling in love with Uzethu, you can tell ukuthi uma kaXolani would never accept Uzethu lapha emndenini. Hayi kwadlula ke lokho. Sesedlulile ingane yabantu just found out ukuthi she is pregnant. Just imagine. And she's pregnant with ingane leKamva because she's 5 months pregnant? Yeah, I think 5 months pregnant. And there were no signs, there were nothing. Because one thing that is going to happen now, ezostressa sonke siyicountry, is that uma leKamva would not accept ukuthi Uzethu is pregnant with leKamva's child. Maybe ubalo uHlathi would accept that because she did not have a problem with Uzethu from the first place. I think I understand, but I know for a fact ukuthi uma leKamva will never accept that. Secondly, lento lebesanda kuqala between uXolani noZethu, lento besithi it's beautiful, I think mhlambe bazothandana kangcono, Uzethu naye abe happy. That won't happen ke manje, izovela kube worse. And I know ukuthi ngenzeka bathandane, ngenze uXolani mhlawumbe amsupport uZethu because uzothi hayi vele ukhulelwe ingane kabhuti wami and everything. But one thing that will never happen, the Mabandla family will never accept Uzethu in their family. So angazi ngastressa kanje impilo nami, ngistresswa into edlala ku TV. Guys, comment down in the comment section, share thoughts, share opinions about this. Ngiyazi ukuthi you have a lot to say about this topic. I've been seeing it there by social media. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu have a lot to say about it. So comment down in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.